I'm going to show you a few ways how to earn money using Binance. So the first option is obviously trading. You can open up the Binance app and click on the trade button at the bottom here. And how this works briefly is you buy low and you sell high on the spot or futures markets. So for example, you can look for Bitcoin, and if it's going low, you can buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. And then once it bounces back to a high value, you can sell that and profit. And the second way to earn is to use the Binance Earn program, which is basically flexible or locked savings accounts to earn yields. To access that, you can click on the search bar here and just search for earn, and you can click on earn here, and you can just explore which currency you're trying to invest in. So for example, USDC or Solana, and then just enter the amount you're trying to invest, for example 1,000. And at the bottom here, it should give you the estimated daily rewards on the investment. In this case, it yields 0.02 USDC per day estimated. And this amount varies based on which mode you choose. So for the flexible 2% yields, you can basically choose to lock it for a longer period and have higher yields. For example, lock it for 120 days here. And if you put 1,000 on Solana, it will yield an estimated reward of 18 Solana after the lock period, which you can then unlock and claim the rewards. You can also look for crypto that offers higher yields. And another way to earn in Binance is through their referral program. So you can invite friends to Binance and earn a commission on their trades. And for that, in the search bar, you can type earn and click on refer to earn. And sometimes they give offers like this, which when you invite someone, you can earn up to 300 USDC tokens every month. And I think this is luck based, it's not guaranteed, so you might get it, you might not get it. And they have some sort of challenge here where you can start the challenge and complete the progress to kind of reach the threshold to be able to claim the rewards fully. Now you can click on share now, and it should give you a referral ID or a referral link that you can use. And then you can basically try to recruit as many as possible through that link. And if you want to help me out, you can use my link, which is going to be in the description below. And the last option I want to mention before ending the video is the liquidity providing option, or DeFi. You can earn from this option by basically providing liquidity to pools for fees and rewards. And by doing that, you simply earn a portion of the trading fees plus possible extra rewards. And you can withdraw your earnings by removing your tokens from the pool. And make sure to research these options, specifically the liquidity, and check the APY and the risk before going in. Now that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you in the next one.